In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log work time in Jira software. Whether you're managing tasks in a project, simply tracking your efforts, or providing documentation for your team, logging work time is an essential part of using Jira effectively. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. You can do this by launching your browser, looking for the projects on your Jira dashboard, or searching for it directly by name. Once you've located your project, go ahead and open it up. Your project houses all the issues you'll be dealing with, so this is your starting point. Next, you'll need to find and open the specific issue you're working on. This could be a task, a story, a bug, or any other form of issue in Jira. If you already have the issue ID, you can search for it, or you can scroll through the appropriate list, such as your backlog or active sprints, to find it. Once you've located the issue, click to open it and display the issue view. In the issue view, you'll want to locate the time tracking section. Typically this will be somewhere in the middle of your issue details page, but if it's not immediately visible, there's no need to worry. Simply look towards the top right of the issue view. You'll see 3 dots representing more options. Click on these dots, and from the drop down menu that appears, select Log Work. This will bring up the interface you need for inputting your work time. Now let's get into the details. The first thing you'll see is the time spent field. This is where you'll record how much time you actually spent working on the issue. Jira offers a flexible input format for this. You can use shorthand like 2H30M for 2 hours and 30 minutes to make it quick and easy. Then there's the time remaining option. You might not need to adjust this every time, but it's there so you can keep your planning accurate. If, after your work, you estimate less time is needed to complete the task, feel free to update it. Following that is the date started section. Here you'll select the date and the exact time you began working. This is especially important if you're backlogging your tasks because it ensures accurate record keeping. Lastly, you'll find the work description field. Use this space to add any specific details about the work you completed. It's an opportunity to add context and insights that could be helpful for future reviews or when sharing updates with your team. Once you've entered all the necessary details, go ahead and click that save button. This action will record your work time into the system, and there you have it, a straightforward way to log work time in Jira software. I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, keep up with your task management and make every minute count.